XRP is still a fascinating cryptocurrency along with Ethereum and Bitcoin. With the constant super exciting changes that the market has, we may assume that someone who can predict how the Ripple will behave will have a certain advantage in earning a lot of money. Welcome back to Grow Your Wealth, the place where we teach you everything about making money online. Please like and subscribe to our channel, or you will be $100,000 in debt by tomorrow. Ripple was first released in 2012, and like Ethereum, its name is widely used to describe both its payment platform and its native currency. Its network is actually called RippleNet. Although its crypt is Ripple XRP, on exchanges it is also referred to as XRP. Many of the altcoins that entered the market were designed to address some of the problems that their creators claimed could potentially limit the success of Bitcoin, the so-called cryptocurrency king. Many, such as Bitcoin Cash, have been dwelling on Bitcoin's lack of scalability. However, Ripple concentrated on another distinguishing characteristic of the crypt: its decentralization. Ripple is a platform and a currency. The Ripple platform is an open source protocol designed in a way that allows fast and cheap transactions. Unlike Bitcoin, which was never meant to be a simple payment machine, Ripple will definitely rule all international transactions around the world. Pretty ambitious, but who knows that? Maybe currency exchanges will disappear in a couple of years, just like Blockbuster stores did. The platform has its own currency, XRP, but it allows everyone to use the platform to create their own through RippleNet. Instead of providing traders and investors a way to make online transactions without having to go through a centralized financial institution that can be sluggish, potentially risky, and expensive, Ripple was built to make it easier for the same centralized financial institutions to make payments themselves. Cross-border payments can be much slower with much higher transaction costs than domestic payments, and multinational companies can make hundreds of these transactions every day. To escape sky-high transaction fees and unfavorable exchange rates, Ripple allows companies to send and receive payments to Ripple XRP. It offers a globalized currency and prevents some of the problems that could impact both the fiat currency and the completely decentralized crypto. 2020 is over. So let's take a look at some of Ripple's primary price forecasts for the remainder of 2020. It's no secret that this year was a tumultuous time for cryptocurrencies in general and Ripple XRP in particular. When the news was first broke of global lockdowns in March, widespread investor confusion caused the market to fall so unexpectedly that it is now known as the coronavirus crash. Bitcoin's price dropped from around $9,000 to $4,000 in less than a week, while Ripple's XRP dropped from 0.336300 on February 14th to $0.13850 on March 12th. But while many cryptocurrencies have returned with a vengeance over the last 7 months, with prices exceeding pre-COVID peaks in some cases, Ripple has remained reasonably bearish ever since. Currently the fourth largest cryptocurrency in the world, Ripple XRP has a market capitalization of $26 billion. Although the Ripple XRP's price has been seen to rebound in August, its subsequent downturn left many crypto experts unsure about its future. This did little to alleviate the doubts posed in Q1 2020, when the report released by the multi-asset brokerage platform, the Tai and eToro, brought into question more optimistic Ripple predictions. According to the study, the number of comments received by Ripple XRP on Twitter decreased by 16% in the first quarter. It might not sound especially serious, but the success of many cryptos has been closely related to their traction in both social media and more conventional media outlets. If investors and traders have lost interest, the crypto could signal a grim future as 2020 progresses. To make matters worse, the website currency.com also announced that the so-called XRP army portion of the crypto investors that strongly support Ripple is 82% smaller than the month in January 2018, when XRP reached its all-time high of $3.8 $0.84. In the face of these gloomy figures, what are the crypto experts predicting for Ripple XRP in 2021? Some investors don't think the bearish trend is anything to worry about. The renowned analyst Ronan from TradingView claims that the price of Ripple XRP is currently following a wave trend, which will mean that once the price has reached 0.21 cents, it will continue to fall. There are more signs that Ripple XRP may be more prosperous in 2021. At the end of August 2020, Ripple's affiliate, Flare Network, announced plans to create a trustless two-way bridge with Ethereum. This will allow applications based on Ethereum blockchain to access the XRP ledger, as well as vice versa. By combining Ethereum smart contracts with Ripple, Flare Network will be able to expand the crypto features that could theoretically increase the market for XRP. Analyst Robert Art was also more positive about Ripple's short-term outlook, as Art is very ferociously pro-XRP. Some investors conclude that his forecasts are more buoyant than justified by recent facts. Others, however, claim that holding long-term positions on cryptocurrencies such as Ripple is the most prudent strategy. After all, if the early Bitcoin investors had defied the naysayers and stuck to their guns, they might have seen a spectacular return. Will the same thing be true for XRP? Unsurprisingly, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, definitely thinks so. Back in 2018, Ripple encouraged investors to think of months and years as opposed to days and weeks when it came to predicting returns from their investment. Brad pointed to the latest crypto market rally by claiming that institutional investor interest is growing. Moreover, Bitcoin BTC has also been identified as a useful hedge against inflation. As regards Ripple XRP, Garlinghouse also stated that XRP is important and useful for payment solutions. The price of Ripple XRP will reach $200 one day, according to Robert Art. Recently, he made a prediction on Twitter that XRP would offer better returns than Bitcoin. Why? Bitcoin has 16 times the money invested in it. Moving $8 billion to $80 billion is much simpler than moving $140 billion to $1.4 trillion. Similarly, the Crypto Coin Society estimated that the price of XRP would hit 0.95 cents by the end of 2021, a rise of about 325% on its current price. CoinLiker.com is still positive regarding the prospects of Ripple XRP in 2021. If you're still thinking about investing in Ripple XRP, short-term cryptocurrency forecasts are not especially definitive. But looking forward to 2022 and beyond, what do we hope to see in the long term? The Crypto Coin Society remains positive, saying that they expect the price of XRP to exceed $2.50 at some point in 2022, a sharp rise of 854%. There are several variables that could theoretically affect this degree of transaction, as policymakers are under pressure to control the cryptocurrency industry. Ripple is better positioned to weather any regulatory crackdown than other traditional cryptos. Crypto Whale claims that if the UK or US government finds consensus or cryptocurrency legislation, demand for Ripple will increase. Since Ripple has been quietly working with government agencies to ensure compliance for years, it is much less likely that new regulations or tax policies will send investors away from more traditional cryptos. Another factor that might theoretically suggest a more bullish 2022 to 2025 is the very thing that caused the crypto market to spiral in March of this year: the coronavirus. Crypto has predicted that, on the other hand, the pandemic will cause the price of Ripple XRP to increase, as it allows remote transactions much more easily than many more conventional payment providers. Although this is still conjectured at this point, may we see more positive Ripple XRP price forecasts in the next 5 years? It seems like this may be the case. The Wallet Investor platform provides one of the most bearish Ripple XRP short-term forecasts, going as far as to say that it's not a decent one-year investment, as its price could fall to 0.4 cents. However, as a long-term investment, Ripple is expected to be able to do even better. According to its forecasts, the value of the Ripple XRP token will increase to 0.46 cents by the very end of 2020, rising to 0.58 cents by 2021, and hitting an average price of $2.32 by 2025. This is a small but steady rise of over 10%. While Ripple's price never reached the dizzying heights of Bitcoin, which hit $23,000 per token in December 2020, some drastic fluctuations have occurred in the 8 years since it was launched. This year has been a record year for the cryptocurrency industry. Bitcoin's price increased by 2,000%, but this was nothing compared to Ripple, which rose by an incredible 36,000%. Its subsequent collapse was unbelievably rapid, but it never again hit the lows it had encountered in its first 5 years. Coming to the question, will XRP reach $1,000 before 2025? No, Ripple XRP is never going to reach $1,000 as of now. This is mainly because its total circulation is less than $100 billion, which means that a market capitalization of $100 trillion would be needed to hit the $1,000 price. But in the future, maybe. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas,